So what are we doing, Scotty? We're banging and screwing?
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah, when you're dealing with rust at this level and cars that are... This isn't deteriorated. I mean, the frame's solid.
No, I mean, it's
the body's good. The frame's solid. But, I mean, it's
had better days.
It's been neglected, but, you know, she's going to be nice when she's done.
Oh, is that what I think it is? It is you.
Did you get it?
Scotty happy.
You get it?
No, I'm not that good. But what I need you to do is...
I need to go work back on soldering on the vet.
Well, you needed to give me 2 minutes of your time so I can get this part finished.
Jesus Christ. You're so fucking needy.
So I'm such a needy bitch. What can I say? Okay, so I need you to pull down on this, and you can see if you look, you'll line the head of the bolt up so I can give it a quickie tappy, and we can put it in the hole.
Who's getting head?
Put it in the hole.
Okay, hurry. I think I have a fart brewing, so hurry.
I'll give you a fart brewing, motherfucker.
I mean, I might have... I think I may have to do so hustle.
I'm a moving. Remember, I'm old.
Yeah, but you're very flexible, according to what the men's room says.
Well, that is true, I am.
Oh, wow. I can see it. Yeah, a little bang goes a long way.
Ka-boing, bang, bang. Shaboop.
Were you impressed that I found that nut for you?
Yes, I was. Actually, very impressed.
Yeah, it's not hard. I just gotta know. I know what threads look like.
Anything?
A little bit. Go, try again. What if you spin it with the Uggy and push in? That's probably what's gonna work.
Uggy's behind you.
Well, I got my hand on this and the thing, so hold on.
Oh, you don't have to do that. You don't have to hold on to this. I mean, if you need to let go to reach something, let go and reach something. And then the socket.
Is it here?
Yep, that's the one.
Look at that. I did all that without turning off the camera or losing focus.
You ready?
Go. Nope. It's there. I can see it spin. Nope. It just wants to spin. What if you put that socket on it and bang on the extension, because it's better than trying to hit the head.
Well, the only problem is it's at the frame.
Can't be the...
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me.
What? What?
Can you reach the light?
The light?
Yep. Yep.
Wait, ready?
Yes.
There we go. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope.
We are 100% at the frame.
There's no way we measured those bolts unless they sent us the wrong fucking bolts, which... I've seen that happen before. Where's the other one?
In the pile.
No, genius. Other new one. Oh my God, Scotty. There's no way. Look. There should be a 3/4 of an inch of thread sticking out, bud. Nope, you're not at the frame at all.
Bobby?
Scotty?
I'm at the frame. There is a notch that it goes through.
It's my finger's right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so give me the bolt. Watch. Give me the bolt. Just give me the bolt. There's the frame.
You ready?
Yeah. Well, what the hell? No, because it's here.
Okay.
There's no way.
Yeah. There's a notch that the bolt head sits on.
Okay.
There's no way.
But I'm holding it right here. I have my finger on the head. I know.
No.
Yes.
There is slightly over a quarter of an inch of a huge ash washer that is bolted to the frame and welded.
Cute. Anyway, give me this. It still doesn't logically make sense. Unless they sent us one. That's wrong. No, because look, I'm there. It would still have half inch stretch. And you know what? Because they never sent our kit. There you go. You are actually sort of right. Because there's where you locked it off. Because they never sent our kit. How many times can I say fuck Larry's T-Bird? Money fucking stealing sons of bitches. So, I'm gonna order more bolts.